Hey bees, and welcome to another day of riding on the Trans-Euro trails in France. The weather decided to turn around a bit and all the tracks got very muddy overnight, but after the bath I took in episode 3, nothing really surprises me anymore. And by the way, if you didn't watch it, I highly recommend the previous episode, but only after you watch this one. But for now, hang on in there, grab some popcorn and a beer, and enjoy the episode as we adventure ourselves on section 26 of TET France in its deep mud and steep hill climbs for more fun and fails, so we can show we are adventurous. Oh my god! Out of the bed we are starting with the usually rocky part, and if there is one thing I learned from this trip is that you don't want to stop in here or you'll drop the bike and it could get quite nasty. But sometimes, you know, boys gotta be boys, so even if it's slippery and quite risky, we still wanted to race each other a bit. Only from time to time. Man, it's quite dark in the forest. It's... wait, what time is it? It's almost 8:30. It's so dark because it's not sunny anymore. Some trucks had these little ruts made by the running water, and I swear they were one of my favorite things. To make a 200+ kilogram bike to fly, even for a few centimeters, it's a feeling that can't really be described in words. The wet grass was making the ride quite tricky with braking. We had a few near misses because we were sliding everywhere. And very soon after, unfortunately, I found myself like this. What happened is that I saw this gate line that I thought it's a metal one. The one that could get me easily decapitated. But it was just a rope. I freaked out and started braking aggressively. I was riding around 60 kph, but I managed to slow down a lot before hitting the ground. So, except for a scare and hitting the nuts from braking, nothing really happened. I got quite lucky with this one.
We've got her up.
Who is this stupid fence? I mean, the line.
Oh, you went through the line?
Yeah, I thought it's like a wire line, and that's why I was braking, because I didn't want to be decapitated.
Oh, you went through the fence?
Yeah, it was a fucking... it was only this.
Ah, you opened it, buddy.
Oh my god.
And after a long pause to recover from the crash, we are back on the TET and the MUDFEST began. I feel like the bike was behaving extremely well. I was pleasantly surprised by how smooth and paced I was passing the deep mud. Just to keep in mind, I have very fresh tires, Motos Rals on the front and Mitas E09 on the rear. Very good combo, if you ask me. And just look how smooth they work. Almost every time, okay? Almost. I want you to look at the following few seconds because I'm still surprised by how well I traced these ruts. Very happy with the bike.
Yum, 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 yum. Tasty. Breakfast. Best breakfast ever. Oh my god. MUDFEST.
I'm not sure what happened here. I think I got a bit confused by Dan putting his feet on the ground and I completely forgot what I was doing.
Oh man.
We are out of the mud, only for now, and in front of us awaits another challenge, but it's a very interesting one you wouldn't expect.
Oh, you fucking lucky liar.
Did you hear that laugh? That's how you know who are your best friends. That's an electrified fence, and we found this foal that managed to escape somehow, so we tried to make it go back in there, without any success.
Hi, hi. Fuck.
He's not happy. We're just gonna have to go past him.
That must feel good. That must feel very good.
So after we were done with the cows and the horses, we hit the road again, and I want you to have a close look at my Osmand map. Look at those turns, absolutely beautiful.
Hi. Another free. Go doggy, go, go. Go doggy, go, go. Bonjour.
Je vais vous faire le tour.
Le tour?
And whoever said that French people are not welcoming and friendly, I think they haven't met the right person. Or maybe only the people outside of the big towns are this awesome, I'm not sure. But after all this, we took a nice break, and because we had a beautiful view, I decided to fly my drone. And looking at the footage, I think I kind of wanted to crush it or something.
Oh man, it's still going up.
Back on the horses we go, and the TET France brings some more rocks in our path. At this point, we also heard that a heavy rain is coming towards us. You'll see at the end what I mean.
Oh! Fuck, I missed the track. Strong one is coming, I think. Oh, oh. was a huge route. Yeah. Oh, MUDFEST is coming again. Man, these tires are very good in the mud. Like, I don't have any issue.
I kind of feel very happy every time I see some muddy patches. I want you to keep in mind that I don't have any kind of traction control or assistive technology, only some elbow grease to help me with the throttle and the clutch. And soon after this patch the rain began. You can barely see anything through the camera, and trust me when I say it, I was also almost blinded in real life.
But we want to finish section 26. We have 15 kilometers left, I think. It's still going alright. I cannot really see too well now because of all the rain on my visor and glasses. Oh my god!
I was cleaning the lens of the GoPro from time to time, and we were still trying to have some fun on the remaining part of this section. But soon the visibility turned to almost none.
Look at it, you can barely see the people ahead. The visibility it's dead. It's gone.
Once the few kilometers of section 26 were over, we hit the road to the hotel, but even this was a bit tricky with the off-road tires on the wet asphalt. However, all of us got there in one piece, and we were just waiting for the beers to roll in. And as a small bonus, as you stayed until the end, I wanted to show you how Dan gave a small smooch to Rob. Mwah! As always, please like this video and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I will see you in the next episode with more adventures. So don't forget to be adventurous.